So that is our wedge. Yum, yum. That is our salmon with sweet and sour tomato sauce and our boiled and fried and buttered carrots. So how about that? Perfect. Perfect for lunch. Of course, you're going to top your fish so they will not be wet, and then we're going to bake it. Okay. This is good. I use a very low temperature, not really low, 3 for your lemon, and then put them in the freezer. Time you make your lemon cake, and you have a lot of this. So all you have to do is to put a little bit of lemon. Lemon juice is good so that the smell will come off. Okay. And for me guys, I like to use this guys and an olive oil. So we have to put a little bit of olive oil there. Okay guys, while our fish is cooking, this is our carrots, of course. As you can see, it's carrots. I'll just add half cup of water and then let it simmer for around 10 minutes. We'll leave it there for a while, for 4 minutes, and then we're going to add our butter. Take out the water, and then we're going to add take out the water, and we are going to add our butter. And that will be perfect. Or if you don't have butter guys, just be very simple. Garlic salt, or just garlic, or just salt. So you're good. I take out the water, as you can see it here, and no water. So what we have to do is to add our butter. Yeah, that's it. Add your butter. Wait until it melts. So I use this garlic in a jar, chopped garlic. So I use that one, and put your garlic in so that it will be tasty a little bit too. Garlic is good. Cook this garlic a little bit. So this garlic guys is from the jar. Smell good now. So your garlic will be cooked a little bit with your butter. So your lunch will be from scratch. If you have carrots and whatever you can find in your refrigerator, then just cook it. Cook with butter, boil, cook with butter, take off the water. And we have a really good sweet and sour sauce, guys. I used to use the sweet and sour sauce for easy, you know. Since we didn't have sweet and sour sauce, we will just use our tomato. Okay. So we can add a little bit of butter. So this pan, guys, don't worry about this one because this is from our carrots, right? So from your carrots, take off the carrots cooked with garlic and butter. And now I take off the carrots and I'll cook our sauce for our feta. So I prefer this garlic, guys. I don't need to cut it and peel it with my hand. We just add, you see that? We just add our tomato. That's so yummy looking. Look at that. So we'll cook this for a while. We have to cover it into medium heat. My honey boo boo. Okay, so that's our honey. We just add it there to make it sweet and sour. How about that? So you don't need to go to the store and buy sweet. Add a little bit of garlic salt. So this is our So that is our sweet and sour sauce. Let's take it out and put it in a plate. Cook your fish like brownish, guys, maybe 30 to 40 minutes. And perfect. I make it into like open that up a little bit, you know. Open it a little bit for your wedge. It's very simple, guys. You have blue cheese, you just have blue cheese, you have walnuts, and you have this one. I don't need to use for like making up your own whatever it is sauce. I'll just make my own sauce. Just this is a blue cheese, a crumbled blue cheese. Very easy. Just put your crumbled blue cheese here. I can smell the blue cheese. And then you have to add your walnut. Just add the walnut. 1, 2, or 5 to 6 pieces of walnuts, guys. That's all you need. And if you like to have a tomato, then do your tomatoes. But for me, it's just simple wedge. Yeah, that's it. How about that? Yes. Our wedge. That is our lettuce wedge. Just use some water and some lemon. Yes. Lemon and water. Perfect. Para may vitamin C tayo, diba? So that's it. Very simple lunch. You don't need to go to the store or to the restaurant. It is so good. This is perfect, guys. If you have salad, if you like to add a little bit of your broccoli, yeah. I love the cracker. It's not really that very salty. It's just perfect. We have